Morning, Riding Texan here. We're fixing to run over to the 2-up expedition ride at PK Lake. Got Ghost out, and it's been a little while. Life has been laughing, as they say. I had a breaker box blow up on the side of my house, had to get that replaced, and it rained, and Thanksgiving. So I'm kind of looking forward to this, even though it is cold right now. But that's part of it. I'm down here at Tommy's waiting on the bogey biker and the rusty boats, I guess, and his crew to come through, and want to join up with them and ride on over to Grayford. When I talked to Jack earlier, he said they would stop in, but I decided I'd be on the highway because we was already running just a little bit late. The weather was kind of strange. It was like somebody just flipped a switch and it went from pretty to foggy. Well, it's turned out foggy, rainy. Hopefully it'll clear up after it warms up a little bit. How we doing, Jack?
I had to put my GoPro inside my jacket.
Oh, yeah?
Because it kept shutting off this morning because it's too cold.
Oh yeah, I ran into that problem too. This DJI has been pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to that.
Got the bigger wheel. It's cold. At least my heated grips, that works pretty good. Hand guards are working pretty good. The only thing is, I must have unplugged my heated seat last time I got it off. I ain't got no warm protectives. What's up, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
How are you this morning?
little chilly.
Little chilly.
Little chilly. When my glasses fogging up, my shield fogging up.
Yes.
It's been a mess.
Been a mess, but hey, it's worth a nice little ride coming up.
Yeah, here's one of the Oklahoma boys. What'd you say the name of him?
Jerry.
Jerry? Jerry Garnett. I see you on Bogey's, videos all the time.
Right. Peace.
Doing all right?
Doing all right.
A little chilly, wasn't it?
Monk.
Yes.
Lewis Jones.
I've seen you in a couple different little get-togethers, and I've subscribed to your channel.
Oh, okay, cool. What is it?
Roy.
Nice to meet you.
I enjoyed your East Texas video here the other day.
East Texas.
I commented on that.
You know
one.
what, East
That's one of my
Texas-
favorite parts.
Yeah, me too. East Texas was some good riding.
Going to do typical group formation, just stagger up. The first stretch of road is going to be right up here. It's a little bit narrower, and there's some good curves and stuff on it, so make sure everybody leaves enough distance between each other. And we're just going to have a good time. We'll I don't have the map or anything printed out, but we'll we'll just,
I've been lost in this country
just
before.
follow the leader. So
It's not a bad place to get lost if you get
the
lost.
first stop is for lunch is going to be at the Hungry Fox. So you can just punch it into your GPS or whatever, do it here, and that's where we'll be. So thank you all again for coming. It means a lot to us. So
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Right?
Hi, I'm Terry.
Hey, Terry.
Nice to meet you.
Who's that,
meet
brother?
you too.
There he is.
Yeah.
Hey, Jay Lewis. Hey, Lewis. Lewis Jones.
This is
I'm gonna have to put on the stickers on
doppelganger.
the tour pack before we go. I got a pocket full at this point.
Yeah, I've got a whole pocket full now.
Love it. I was gonna make stickers, and then all of a sudden the weekend was here, and I'm like, shit, I forgot.
Well, we're fixing to go to the Hungry Fox Marina, I guess. Got a pretty good crew out here. We stopped in Jacksboro, I think. We'll do a little warm up. A little warm up break. But got a pretty good little crowd here. Jay and Bogey and Throttle Holic and Rolling on Two and the Two Up Expedition. I don't know what happened to the sunshiny weather, but it went away. Well, we'll see you on the road. Like that switch I told you about earlier, the switch flipped the other direction and the sun came out, and it turned out to be a pretty day. Yeah, I pulled a bonehead move. I had to get my camera off the bike. Anyway, I'm going to bring my crew back over here on another day, so stay tuned for that video. Boondocks was the official end of the ride. Alan and I and another fellow, I think his name was PJ, we had quite a ways to go, so we said our goodbyes and headed back on the road. A quick fuel stop to top off our tanks, and we'll be back on the road. Catch you later, Alan. It's been a great day, and I enjoyed the ride. Shit, not working. Oh my god. Well, I guess I better finish this. My battery's about to run dead. Thanks to Up Expeditions for hosting the little ride. Thanks Boogie Biker, Rolling On 2, Throttleaholic. There was a couple more. My brain's about dead right now. I'm tired. I think we did close to 300 miles today, like 295, something like that. Anyway, and until next time, Riding Texan here, keep the shiny side up.